Hello students, I am Sailesh Prajapati. Today I explain you chapter number 4 in the exercise 4.2 continue questions. Students, in 4.2, using the property number 1 to 6, prove that del is equal to 0 without any expanding. So very easy. First of all, I converting this all row in the column. So we operate every row translate into every columns, just like R1 change in C1, R2 change in C2 and R3 change in C3, because I want to answer 0 without any expanding. So students, my del value, this row I just write down the column, second row I write down the second column, and third row third column. Now every terms row either column I will take common here, minus 1 minus 1 minus 1. You know that by property number 1, every row to column change, value of determinant does not change. Now common taking, first row element minus 1, second row minus 1, third row minus 1. Here remaining are 0, a minus b, minus a 0 minus c, and bc 0, and mention that first row multiply by minus 1, second row multiply by minus 1, and third row multiply by minus 1. You will check this is your original del, and that is your minus 1 cube into del. In short, del is equal to minus del. So del plus del, 2 del. In short, I will take del is equal to 0. Any expanding? I just prove here, very simple and easy way. Now the seventh sum. In the seventh one, also prove the answer is minus a square, ba, ca, ab minus b square, now bc, and next one ac, bc minus c square, and prove that 4 times a square, b square, c square. In this sum also students, I will take just common and decided my further solutions. So students, in this seventh one, we will take common here, column wise, either row wise. See, this first column have common A, B, C in your LHS. A, B, C common. Remaining are minus A, here B, C. B common, then A minus B, C, and C common, then A, B minus C. Just you write down the properties wise. First column you common taking, so C1 column 1 by A, C2 common 1 by B, and C3 1 by C. Also you have to common. See, this is the first row, same as second row, third row you can take out the common outside. Remaining are minus 1, 1, 1, 1 minus 1, 1, and 1, 1 minus 1. Side by side write down row 1, common take your 1 by A with R1, row 2 1 by B, and the row 3 1 by C. Finally, you will get the easily answers in the A square, B square, C square, and here we will moving the column, the additions. So first column add in second 0, 0, 2. First also third added 0, 2, 0. And my simple expansion to column number 2, C1 plus C2. Column number 3, C3 plus C1. And look at that, many zeros are there. So going to simple definitions, solutions, and definition solution you know, A square, B square, C square. Minus 1 have 0, 2, 2, 0. Other 0. In short, it is minus 4. So A square, B square, C square, minus 1 with 0 minus 4. In short, your answer is 4. A square, B square, C square, and that much simple answer. Now continue in the 8th one. Prove again by use the properties. In 8th have total 2 questions. In the first one, del 1 1 1 ABC a square b square c square and proofing a minus b, b minus c and c minus a. First think about to common if you have possible. No common, so I just this subtracted by the 0 obtaining. So operate second row change minus first row and third row change minus first row. Definitely you will get the sum zeros here, 1 a square. First row subtract in second, 1 minus 1 0, either 1 minus 1 I write down, b minus a, b square minus a square. Same again 1 minus 1 c minus a, c square minus a square. You will get 1 0 0. Second a, b minus a, c minus a. Similarly students here, b plus a, b minus a. You will also check c plus a, c minus a. And now you will get to time coming to common checking. Look at that, here common is b minus a and here also common to c minus a. So b minus a into c minus a, other will be same as it is. Here a 1 1 a square, b plus a, c plus a. And now you will try to prepare another 0, next more 0, because 2 0 is coming there. I want to at least 3 zeros. Then after I will go to our expansions level. So simple, here I will create to this minus this, again 0. So your del value will do b minus a, c minus a, and here 1 a square same, 0 1 b plus a same, and my operating second row subtracting third row. So 1 minus 1 0, and that will be c plus a minus b minus a. That is c students here. So del b minus a, c minus a, and here 1 0 0, then another is a 1 0, a square, b plus a, here c minus b. Now go to expansion by definitions. So del value b minus a. Students 3 0 coming, then you will go to definitions expansion. And this one definitely that are we write down by the definitions. 1 0 b plus a, c minus b. Other a with 0 and last a square with also 0 by definitions. So del is coming there, b minus a, c minus a. It will be c minus b minus 0. And now check your answers. I want to a minus b, minus common take, b minus c, minus common take, c minus a, as it is 2 minus, it is positive. So my answer is a minus b, b minus a, and c minus a. That's your finally short answers. Now 8 seconds students. Similarly going in the 8-2, the del is a given, but there is a big questions according to first one. Is a big one, 1 1 1 a cube, 1 b cube, 1 c cube, and is equal to printed a minus b, b minus c, c minus a, and a plus a plus b plus c. Here also I create first zeros. It means this minus this 0 and this minus this 0. First column subtract in second and third column respectively. So my operating first, column number 2 change in first, and column number 3 change in first again minus. So del I have 1 a cube, here 1 minus 1 b cube minus a cube, same 1 minus 1 1 minus a, I think my mistakes there in questions I read it just like a B, C by mistakes. So students, here C printed. So it is a 1 minus A, that is column subtracted C minus A, and here C cube minus A cube. With by mistake I written 1. Now del 1A cube 0 B minus A. But here look at that property, B minus A, B square, AB, A square, and the end of 0 C minus A, and here also property C square, CA, A square. Now time coming to common take. Here common B minus A, here common take C minus A. Finally you will get del B minus A, C minus A. Remaining are 1A cube, here 0 1 B square AB A square, and 0 1 C square CA square. Now 2 0 is coming. I want to one more 0, it means third 0, and try to it third 0 define. Very easy. You just create here subtractions. By that this minus this, definitely 0 coming. So I want to operate on the del third column change, third minus second, third minus second. So my del value is B minus A, C minus A, here as it is. That should be also same, 0 1 B square AB A square, and here same as 1 minus 1 C square CA A square minus B square minus AB minus A square, and check what's the remaining. You have to, some values is a factorization coming, see, 0 1 B square AB A square, and that should be 1 1 cancel, 0 0, here also students cancel, and these two are the two factorizations. C square minus B square, I will write down C plus B, C minus B, and here common take A common, so remaining are C minus B. In this form A common, then C minus B. One more time common you take, so it should be C minus B common, C plus B plus A. Now finally this value you will take common outside, so del B minus A, I will write down one more steps, 1A cube 0 1 A square, and here 0 0, that should be C minus B with A plus B plus C. I want to this term fully common carry outside, so del B minus A, C minus A, 1A cube 0 1 A square AB is B square, and 0 0 here 1, and these two terms I will write down outside, C minus B, that like. Now number of 0 more than 3 at least, to expand it by the definitions, this expansion is surely only 1, and here you will take minus common outside, then you will get A minus B. Here also students minus common outside, B minus C, C minus A as it is. It means it's done. Del is equal to A minus B, B minus C, C minus A, B plus C into 1, and that's my RHS. So finally students, this questions, 3 marks questions done here. Now moving towards 9th one. Similarly, we'll going ahead in question number 9. 9 also students IMP for exam level. Question is big question, x, y, z, x square, y square, z square, and yz, zx, xy, and prove x minus y, y minus z, z minus x and xy plus yz plus zx. Very easy. Now you will start the first. Common taking available? No common. So I will decide it. Column just row subtracted. Row subtracted. First row subtract in second and first row subtract in third. So operate. Row number 2 change. Row 2 minus row 1. And row number 3 change. Row 3 minus row 1. Students, you also calculate by column wise. That's also correct answer. Define. Now LHS. Our del. This same x square yz. Here a subtraction. Y minus x. Y square minus x square. And zx minus yz. Similarly, z minus x. Z square minus x square. And xy minus yz. You simple known the properties yx, y minus x, z minus x. Here these are the two factors, y plus x, y minus x. Here also two factors, z plus x and z minus x. And here students, you will try to common taking. Yes, common taking here. Just you common take the z, x minus y. But here y minus x, I will take minus z. Minus z common taking, then y minus x definitely. And here y common but minus z minus x. Now look at that. This row y minus x. This row z minus x. Common take outside. Y minus x, z minus x. Remaining are x, 1, 1, x square, y plus x, z plus x, and last yz minus z minus y. Now I just start my final solutions to create 0 coming. Anyhow, I will think here students 0, 10. So minimum at least 3 zeros you can declare, and then after go to definitions. So here I just simple focus. That minus that is 0. Just here I subtract that. Then it is coming the 0. Either this column multiply by x and here subtract. That also easy. So I will go that. Operate. Column number 2 change. Yes, column number 2 plus minus x multiply column number 1. So x square minus x square 0. So my del is a y minus x, z minus x, x 1 1 same, x square minus x square, y plus x minus x, and z plus x minus x, other same, yz minus z minus y. Look at that, this cancel, that much also cancel. Simple, your data is done here. Again repeat, this x multiply here, then yz coming under the 0, y minus x, z minus x, x 1 1. It should be 0 yz and yz minus z minus y. Now students, try to third zeros. Third zero possible here. These are the subtracted. So operate. Row number third minus row number second. So your del value is a y minus x, z minus x, here x, 0 yz, 1 y minus z, this 0, z minus y, and here minus y plus z. Now 2 zeros is possible. Now it will be try to third more zeros. I think not possible here. So I will go to final expansion. Either possible, these are multiply with z and add there. Then also z and z minus cancel there. And you define the final answers. So I will more 0. This are multiply. This 1 and this z I create 0. So operate. Third column change. Third column plus z multiply to first column. C3 and these are multiplied by z, means z minus z 0. So your z value total y minus x, z minus x, x 1 0, 0y z minus y. Here yz plus xz. You multiply by z, no? Here z minus z. And that same is nothing, that because after that 0, and 0 plus z is nothing. And now that should be final calculations to create these answers. Just few steps remaining. So students, here z become, that's my answer, z become y minus x, z minus x, x1 0, 0y z minus y, and here students yz plus xz 0 and z minus y. Now there is go to definition expansion. So z as it is, this del simple, this x first I calculate, that's my first solutions. Yes, x with yz minus y square, secondly 0, and third yz plus xz become this multiply with that, means z minus y minus 0. Now over that simple expansions. So del create y minus x, z minus x, xyz minus xy square. Our target is that. Now here this multiply by z, so yz square minus y square z plus xz square minus xyz. Now students, this xyz gone. Other you can check xz square, nothing cancel, xy square, yz square, y square z, you create the identity. So del same y minus x, z minus x. Here I will take the common related x y square with the xz square. So xz square minus xy square. Finally x common, and z minus y, z plus y. And these two are common as it is, yz square minus y square z. So my final answer, y minus x, z minus x. Here x common, other are z square minus y square. Here students, common take simple yz, remaining are z minus y. Yz common, here also yz common, so z minus y. Now here you try to two terms factorizations and decide your final answer. Now it's a very huge sum, but IMP question also. So my del value y minus x, z minus x, here z plus y, z minus y, and plus yz, z minus y. This y, z minus y and z minus y common, and common take outside. Other your answer, y minus x, z minus x. Here x with z plus y plus yz, and common take z minus y. Finally did, here minus common, you will create first answer. Second y minus z, here common taking, 2 minus common, it will get answer. So x minus y, y minus z, z minus x, xy plus yz plus zx. That's your students final answers. Now I moving towards our question number 10. 10th have very short questions. First one, x plus 4, 2x 2x, 2x, x plus 4, 2x, and the last 2x 2x, x plus 4, but answer create 5x plus 4 with the 4 minus x the whole square. So first decided how can coming to 5x plus 4, this are add here. So operate column 1, add 2, 1 2 3. So your del value is definitely 2x, 2x and x plus 4, 5x plus 4. Here also and here also. Other as it is students, Very quickly you will decide your final destinations, because that is my common. Simple common take. And outside values, you will decide your answers. So most probable you will decide first common takings, and after that create two students, zero process. So del value is my common, 5x plus 4, other is a 1 1 1, 2x x plus 4, 2x x plus 4. Now very easy, this and this are subtracted, again this and this are subtracted. So I operate row number second minus first, and third row also minus 1. So my answer is del 5x plus 4, other is 1, 2x 2x, 1 minus 1 0, x plus 4 minus 2x, here 0 0 0, x plus 4 minus 2x, and decide final answer. So our answer is 5x plus 4, 1 0 0, 2x, here 4 minus x, 0, 2x and 4 minus x. You will check this common, 4 minus x 2 times. So del answer is a 5x plus 4, 4 minus x the whole square, and other is 1 0 0, 2x 1 0, 2x 0 1. And now 4 zeros coming, you go to only decide the definitions. Definitions wise you can move your answers. So students, my answer is del 5x plus 4, 4 minus x whole square, and here if you expand it one wise, these are 1 minus 1 0, other is permanently 0. So look at that, your RHS is coming 5x plus 4 with the 4 minus x whole square. That much your final answer. Now moving towards next question, 10th second one. That also same pattern students. Your del y plus k y y, y plus k y, and y y y plus k, and answer is k square 3y plus k. Students, here I just create 3y plus k. Look at that. These are addition. First column with the added second and third column. So very easily you will get 3y plus k. So operate in the column 1, column 1 plus, column 2 plus, column 3. It is 3y plus k. Same 3y plus k. Other is same as y plus k y, and here also same as. Now you decided by the common. So 3y plus k, remaining are 1 1, y plus ky, and y plus k. Students, now you will just subtract it. 2 zeros is defined. Very easily you finished your sum. Indirectly very easy and simple numerical students. Now I operate our row number 2 change, row 2 minus row 1, and row number 3 change, row 3 minus row 1. So your del answer is a 3y plus k, other is 1, y, here 0, and y common k 0, and again 0 0, y common cancel and k, 3 0 more coming that. So go to definitions, 3y plus k, other is this one, so that is your k 0 0 k. Next is y with 0, and again y with 0. Finally coming that answer, 3y plus k, k square minus 0 minus 0. So finalize the sum 3y plus k square and check. That's your finally answer here. Yes students, here question number 10 done up to second and first questions. Students, I hope you understand this type of questions and using our theorem 1 to 6. Students, I stop this video and further explanations 4.2 I will explain in the next part. Okay students, bye bye.